Today we are going to be showing how to get your headlights out of your G37. This is a coupe that we were working on. It works the same for sedans, G35s, just obviously a G37 coupe. So all these are very relatively the same. Start with the bumper, get the headlight out. Go over here, open up your hood. Hopefully yours doesn't sound like that. So we're going to open the hood up and we'll get our panel popper. Go through here, pop those off. And then what I like to do is I like to pull these covers off first. So this is a clip right there. Pop that off like that. And there's another one kind of hidden right there. That pops out like that. So just kind of move that out of your way. Just kind of tuck that behind the throttle body. And we'll go to the other side. All the clips are off right here. This one's already broken, but that one popped off like that. And just kind of tuck it behind the throttle body. Stays out of your way. And then I'm going to work on the bottom of it. Grab a 10 mil. And just go around the perimeter right here. And take all these off. Alright, so those are all off on the bottom. Then we're going to go under the wheel well. And to get to the wheel well, so there's a clip right here, kind of close to the outside. Pop that out like that. And then that's going to kind of give you some access to get under here, like that. Like that. And then there's going to be a 10 mil right here that comes out. And then that will just pop freely like that. So when you do that, the bumper might loosen up a tad. Then we'll go over to this side right here. So both sides are out like that. Okay, so right here where the end of the socket is, there's normally a 10 mil right there. So to get to it, you're gonna have, that's why we remove the side of the cover right here, is to access under there. This one, it doesn't have it on there, but normally there's a 10 mil right there. And you can just pop that out like that a little bit, it'll loosen up, and then you're gonna go to this one right here and take this off. There's gonna be a little bracket that comes with it. And then finally right here, same thing for this side. There's 3 10s, one under the fender, one on the corner, and then one right here. And once you have that, the bumper is ready to come off. Don't pull too hard, because if you pull too hard, there's fog lights in here. And the fog lights will get pulled out of the connector. So just hold it like this, and you're gonna see access right here to get to the clip. So just pop that clip off like that, and I'll show you how to do it on this side. So yeah, make sure that the wire doesn't have a bunch of tension on it. And to get this clip off, it's really simple. You don't need any tools. Just put your thumb right under that and pop it off like that. Carrying on onto the headlights. To remove the headlights, once you have the bumper off, very, very straightforward. First one is right here. You don't have to do this one first, it's just, that's what I do. First one to get to. And then also, you're going to see a tab in the back of the headlight. This one kind of hides from you, so make sure to do that one next. Like that. And then we're going to come over here on this side. There's two 10 mils. One is for the headlight and one is for the headlight mount. So take both of those off. That frees up right there. And then there's also another 10 mil right here on the bottom of it. So it'll slide out like that. And don't pull too hard, because there's a plug obviously that is connecting your headlight to everything, and it goes in this spot right there. Hold the clip like this and get a flathead. Slide it in between right there and just do a little twist. That won't break the clip or anything. And then separate that, and now you have a headlight off. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Go through these 10s that we just went over. There's one there. So we'll count them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. So there's 6 10 mils to pull off the headlight. That should free up and slide forward like that. And then, so the clip, there's a clip right there holding, it's kind of hard to see, but on this harness. All right, so it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if the camera can get in there, but there's a zip tie clip right here that I'm poking with the flathead. Just clip that zip tie and it will release the headlight out. Okay, so just get some cutters in there. Make sure you don't cut your harness. And just clip that zip tie and it will free that up to come out. So open that up like that, and then you're gonna see the hood hinge bracket. It's for the hood cables, so make sure to undo that, and that'll give you a lot more room. Bring this out, set it on the crash bar in your leg, and right there you'll see the clip again. We're gonna stick our flathead in right at the edge of the plug and give it a small twist. Unplug that. And that is how you remove headlights off of a G37 Coupe.